Hi everyone and welcome to the EEG or the English Easy Goldstar channel. In this video is the reading practice 2. Right up. Let's start with another reading practice, okay? You can follow after me. After, after, after. Okay, next word. Ago, ago, ago. Okay, next. Barn, barn, barn. Next one. Basket, basket, basket. Okay, next. Cot, cot, cot. Okay, next. Charge, charge, charge. Okay, next one. Did, did, did. Okay, next. Different, different, different. Okay, next. Early, early, early. Next. Earth, earth, earth. Next. Filled, filled, filled. Okay, next. Fifth, fifth, fifth. Okay, next. Gave, gave, gave. Next. Girl, girl, girl. Okay, next one. Having, having, having. Next one. Head, head, head. Okay, next. Important, important, important. Okay, next. Interest, interest, interest. Okay, next. Jag, jag, jag. Next. Jug, jug, jug. Next one. Kin, kin, kin. Okay, next word. Keep, keep, keep. Next. Lady, lady, lady. Okay. Large, large, large. Okay, next word. Middle, middle, middle. Okay, next. Minute, minute, minute. Next. Need, need, need. Next word. New, new, new. Okay, next. Often, often, often. Next. Oil, oil, oil. Okay, next. Parent, parent, parent. Next. Peanut, peanut, peanut. Next. Red, red, red. Next word. Ride, ride, ride. Next. Sang, sang, sang. Okay, next. Saw, saw, saw. Okay, next. Table, table, table. Okay, next word. Taken, taken, taken. Okay, next. Until, until, until. Okay, next. Usually, usually, usually. Okay, next. Very, very, very. Okay, next, vain, vain, vain. Okay, next, will, will, will. Okay, next, warm, warm, warm. Next, yellow, yellow, yellow. Okay, next, yet, yet, yet. Next, zipper, zipper, zipper. Okay, next, end, end, end. Next, an, an, an. Okay, next, beach, beach, beach. Okay, next, bear, bear, bear. Okay, next, cake, cake, cake. Next, call, call, call. Okay, next word, change, change, change. Next, did, did, did. Next, do, do, do. Okay, next word, east, east, east. Next, eight, eight, eight. Next, favorite, favorite, favorite. Next, finally, finally, finally. Next, give, give, give. And lastly, gold, gold, gold. Okay, good. Let's just repeat some of the words. Okay, so read with me again. Basket, basket, basket. Okay, next, caught, caught, caught. Okay, next, charge, charge, charge. Okay, this one, change, change, change. Okay, next, different, different, different. Okay, next, fifth, fifth, fifth. Okay, next, important, important, important. Next, interest, interest, interest. Okay, next, middle, middle, middle. Okay, next, minute, minute, minute. Okay, next, parent, parent, parent. Next, peanut, peanut, peanut. Okay, next, usually, usually, usually. Okay, next one, yellow, yellow, yellow. Okay, next, zipper, zipper, zipper. Okay, next, favorite, favorite, favorite. Okay, next, finally, finally, finally. Okay, very good. So we are done with the second reading practice. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you keep learning with us. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Stick around for the next video, the third reading practice. Bye for now.